इन माय लास्ट स्लाइड मैंने आपको इंडक्शन मोटर स्पीड कंट्रोल मैकेनिकली बाई रेजिस्टेंस वेरिएशन के थ्रू दिखाया था। लेकिन इस चैप्टर में आपको मैं कैसे ऑटोमेटिकली हम रोटर का रेजिस्टेंस को वेरी करके इंडक्शन मोटर का स्पीड कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ मैकेनिकली वेरिंग द रेजिस्टेंस, द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस इन द रोटर सर्किट कैन बी वेरी statistically by using the diode bridge diode and a chopper. You can see in the drawing, you see this is the motor. The starter is directly connected to three-phase supply 50 hertz, but the rotor is in a star condition. Three phase will coming out and put a diode. These are all diode, and we put a 6 diode to make a bridge diode, and this is a rectifier circuit. From this AC voltage converted to DC, and this is a inductance, series inductance connected in between this, and this is a chopper. This methodology is using the chopper and resistance we can change the speed of a slip ring induction motor. Now you can see the operation, how this circuit will be operated. This is known as the chopper speed control. Chopper speed control. In this circuit, you can see you can use the 6 number of diode which will be convert the AC supply to DC, and from DC we can DC voltage, this sleep voltage, this is known as the sleep voltage. This sleep voltage converted to DC, and this DC using a inductance in the series we converted to current ID, and this current will be controlled by the chopper and the resistance R. Now you can modify this diagram. By this is a diode. Chopper, and this is the resistor. This is another form of this is the rotor circuit. You also know the slip is S equal to percentage of slip equal to Ns minus N by Ns into 100. By varying the slip, we can vary the speed of the motor. This can be possible in a slip ring induction motor, but in case of squirrel cage induction motor, the rotor is short circuited. Starter of the machine is connected directly to the line supply, but in the rotor circuit, the slip voltage is rectified to be diode rectifier. The DC voltage is converted to the current source by ID by connecting a large series inductance LD. It is then hit to an IGBT. This is known as IGBT or chopper. This IGBT, short chopper with a resistance R. The chopper is pulse width modulation with duty cycle delta equal to T on by width modulation T on by T. This is the time period and the time duration. Now you can see what is the operation. When IGBT is off, when IGBT or chopper is off, then ID current flow through resistance. Then resistance is maximum, but time is 0. But when IGBT is on, time is maximum, but resistance is 0. From this principle, by varying the time and the resistance, we can control the speed of a slip ring induction motor. What are the disadvantages upon this? Poor drive efficiency, speed regulation range is limited, lower efficiency of the motor. Thank you.